Hi guys, Rusty's here.
Hi.
I just picked him up. Today is the birthday of
Raver.
And I know you don't have a gift for him, right?
I know.
Yeah, so our challenge here is like this.
Find him a gift.
I have a money here.
Why?
Let's go to SM.
Then?
Let's go to the grocery. You buy
What, Raver?
something for Raver that is
That he loves.
no, things that you will find in the grocery that starts with letter R-A-Y-V-E-R.
What? Gonna do it on my birthday?
What?
Gonna do it on my birthday?
You're thinking again of your birthday, reverse, ha?
Sure.
So kung ko an alphabetical order, ato is
One.
buy something for Raver that, you know,
It has his name. It says his all the name. What's R?
R-A-Y-V-E-R.
R-A-Y-V-E-R?
Yeah, so what's
Okay,
in
I
your
can't
mind?
give him
R.
Pringles.
R.
I don't know.
A, how about A?
Roasted chicken? I don't know.
In the grocery store?
I don't know. What's R? What's R? I don't know what to buy. What's R? Red. Something colors.
Pwede.
Red Pringles. Obvious.
How about A?
I don't know. What's A? Apples?
The difficult thing is Y.
Yo-yo. Nah, that's not in the grocery store. What do you want?
But you can, but we can find maybe a brand there that starts with letter Y.
Yeah, brand. And E? What do you want to buy for an E?
No, letter V.
That V? Valentino white bag. No, that's too expensive. What's V?
So that's our challenge, to go to the grocery store.
In SMV. Can I buy something for me? Just one?
It's not your birthday. Just one, okay.
Yeah,
sure.
just one.
Sure.
Just one thing. Can be anywhere in SM.
Grocery regalin ta. Mami will get angry on this because
You can tell her?
well, I just got the money. Alright, we're in SM Grocery. I'm using the GoPro para di mi pasabang bawal ang big camera. So now, Raver. So let's start with R. What's R?
I don't know.
Let's see, look.
Reese's Puffs.
Raisins.
Reese's.
What's this? This one.
Ew. Good.
So you like, tignan natin kung si basta kay R-A-Y-V-E-R. So, sige, let's go. Oh, R, yeah. Really.
We think a lot of A's. We know what to buy for those A's in the grocery, but we think what if Raver likes it or not.
So let's go to the places what he really likes.
Maybe he likes fruits. I will just buy an apple.
Apple?
Oh. That's a
Oh,
B.
yeah.
There, Virginia.
Likes it? Do you think he likes it? You think she likes it? Think he likes it?
He likes hot dogs. What do you think? Okay, that's one.
So expensive.
Oh.
$2.96.
E for egg. Never likes egg. I think we already have enough eggs in the house.
Is it final for A? I think it's just better. Look for better A.
Argentina meatloaf and corned beef. He loves corned beef.
You love corned beef?
Yes, I know. Push pop.
How about the Yuppies yogurt?
No, Eva doesn't like this.
Yeah, like yogurt.
No, for the last time. And boy, sand. Nice, well.
We don't have a choice.
Then,
Yogurt.
we have either your yogurt. Which one? This one made him super.
It's a mango.
Yeah. Okay, we're done, but we don't eat it.
Eggnog. Yakult. J-O is for Oreo.
For sure.
Oreo.
Yeah, that Oreo. What's J?
Jam. H. H is for the ham.
Hansel.
Hansel, yeah.
Well, I think I posted a picture.
Hansel, they were John.
Where's the other daddy is getting something? I'm
Yeah.
just curious. Why are we in SM?
Mommy, daddy just buy something.
Sprinkles more than Oreo.
What?
They love sprinkles more than Oreo.
But how can you?
Original.
Okay. So hold on. Alright, brother!
Yo!
Cheers! Nga mga kuandre. Wala pa sila Raver o si Ella? Kasi nagtaksi ra sila. Because today is the birthday of Raver. So, nakakwarta mo gugo. So ang among gibuhat nagpalit mi og mga pagkaon sa SM nga Raver John R-A-Y Lisura. Happy birthday Raver! Happy birthday boy!
And Lord, i-guide sa Lord na may siyang better person. Continue nga friendly niya po siya Lord. Continue nga healthy nga bata Lord. And thank you Lord nga dagan pa kami mag-love sa iyo Lord. Thank you Lord sa tanan mga nag-love sa iya. Kaya mga tao nga nag-surround sa iyo. Thank you very much Lord. Please Lord, continue i-guide niya siya Lord. And Lord, please i-bless ang food. Nagkana mo yung kaunon, nagkani makataw kabaso ka na mo. Drama ang mga sugar ani level, ang high blood, dili mo atake po man ang kaon. Normal tanan ang pag-umano ka. Sabay-sabay, bless us, O Lord.
This food which you are about to see from
Christ our Lord.
Amen!
Happy
birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Close your eyes, Sam.
More V-Bucks.
We had a challenge. So what's the spelling of what's your complete name, Galing? Yeah, I mean like name, no family name. Raver John. So our challenge si Kuya a while ago, we went to SM, then we buy things that starts with letter RAYVERJOHN, and that's our gift for you. So first, so Raver, the first R. What's the first R?
It's where is the R? First R.
First R. Real leaf. A. What's the A? The A is Argentina corned beef and meatloaf. What's the next letter?
I think you don't like this.
Huh?
Why?
Y. Yakult.
Yakult.
Let's try. That's good for the tummy. What's the next letter?
V.
No. Ay, what's the V? V. What's the V?
It's lang, I'm finding it. Forgot what is V?
V is Virginia hot
Then the E.
What's another letter? What's the next letter? E. Letter E. E. Eggnog. Ignored. What's the next letter? Another R. Rebisco.
Hey, J. J.
John. J for Juan.
O is.
O is original.
Kaya. Pringles
Original. Original. Okay. Then H. Hansel. And the last letter N. Nova. Raver John. We got the challenge. Woo! You ask for Kuya. You give Ella. Happy birthday.